Hello students, our today's topic is integers. Under this topic, first of all, we will study addition of integers. We can find the sum of the integers using the rules of addition. While we add the integers, we should keep in mind the signs of the integers. First of all, we add the integers of the same signs and then finally find the sum of their sums. Examples: plus 5 plus 3, we get plus 8 because both integers are of plus sign. Minus 6 plus minus 2, we have to find the sum of minus 6 and minus 2. First we add 6 and 2, we get 8, and sign of both the integers is minus, so we put minus with 8. Minus 5 plus 12, here 12 is positive and 5 is negative, so positive number is greater, negative number is smaller. Then 12 minus 5, that is 7, and 7 will be of plus sign because greater number is of plus sign. Minus 8 plus 5, here minus 8 and plus 5. First we find minus 8 plus 5 as minus 3. It will be minus 3 because sign of the greater number, that is 8, is negative. You add when you have two positive integers like plus 3 plus minus 2. Both are positive, answer will be positive 5. You also add when you have two negative integers, but the answer will take a minus sign like minus 2 plus minus 1. Here both integers are negative, so first we find the sum of 2 and 3, 2 and 1, that is 3, and sign of both the integers is minus, therefore answer will take the minus sign. When you have one positive and one negative integer, you must subtract, but answer will take the sign of the bigger integer, ignoring the signs of the numbers. Decide which is bigger. Example: plus 5 plus minus 8. Here 5 is of positive sign and 8 is of negative sign. So here 8 with negative sign is greater, therefore answer will be of minus sign, and difference of 8 and 5 is 3. Now plus 6 plus minus 4. Here plus 6 is greater than minus 4. So answer will be of positive sign. So first you find the difference of 6 and 4, that is 2. It will take the positive sign of greater integer, that is sign of 6. Addition of integers on a number line. We can add the integers with the help of a number line. Addition of two positive integers. Example: find the sum plus 3 plus 5. So we draw the number line, put here 0, and on the right side of 0 there are positive integers. We write starting from 1, and on the left of 0 there are negative integers. So to find the sum of plus 3 and plus 5, first we move 3 steps to the right of 0. 3 steps to the right of 0. To reach 3, it means we will reach to the 3. And then we move 5 steps to the right of 3. 5 steps to the right of 3, and we reach 8. Therefore we conclude that plus 3 plus 5, that is equal to plus 8. Addition of two negative integers. Let us take an example. Find the sum of minus 3 plus minus 5. Here we see that both the integers are negative. So to find this sum, first we draw the number line and write positive integers on the right side of 0 and negative integers on the left side of 0. To find the given sum, on the number line we first move 3 steps to the left of 0, reaching minus 3. There are 3 steps to the left of 0. We reach minus 3 and then move 5 steps to the left of minus 3. 5 steps to the left of minus 3 and we reach minus 8. Therefore, our sum will be minus 3 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 8. Now, if we want to add a positive integer and a negative integer, let's take an example. Find the sum plus 5 plus minus 3. To find the given sum, we have to draw a number line. On this number line, we write positive integers on the right of 0 and negative integers on the left of 0. On the number line, first we move to the right of 0 by 5 steps. This is plus 5. So we move 5 steps to the right of 0. We reach 5. Then we move 3 steps to the left of 5, reaching 2. 3 steps to the left of 5 to reach 3. Therefore, plus 5 plus minus 3, we get 2, because here the greater integer is positive and the smaller integer is negative. So the answer is plus 2. Thank you, students.